I'm taking that out because I have to hide the GPS. So we gotta get it out. So, start from the beginning and pretend like nothing ever happened. So we got this guy out, this guy out, this guy out, this guy out. So let's put it all back and show you what we did. Door number 1. Check. You have to remove this guy. Now when you put it back, you want to get this rubber out of your way. Right? You see? So it sits nice and tight, as if we were never here. But we're not worried about that. We're worried about taking it off first. So, gotta get this guy, or come down on the bottom over here. Pops it right off. Now, screw, 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 screw. Another screw behind door number 2. Okay. We can probably use this, or something like this. Now here, you've got a little tab. See? Push. Another one here. 3 in total. Get that. Just drop it down. Now, pull. Pull. So this guy overlaps. It all overlaps, but it's Toyota / Lexus, so it always goes back properly. You see? So I want to grab. Now, over here, same thing. These guys. Look, here's your tools. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Just a little. That's it. Now, keep pulling. That's right. If you'd like, this makes it easier. Just grab it from here and pull, and you'll see how it's overlapped over here as well. So this puppy, if it comes out for you, I wouldn't do that. You see? This overlaps. So you see, pull this guy out just far enough, give you some wiggle room. This puppy also overlaps. So pull just far enough to give you some wiggle room. Then you can pull this guy out of the way. See? Now you can leave it all unplugged. Plugged in. Because we don't care about that. We care about that. So 4 screws, and take it out. Just leaned it forward. Little weaseling, little pulling, and you got it out in your hand. So you got 1 clip, 1 clip, 1 clip. Do not plug it. Do not unplug with the car on. And then you have a speedometer in your hand. So I just pulled this back. You didn't need to. You see, just give you a little bit more room. But there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. You see. Just goes right back in place. It's Lexus. Gotta love Lexus. Thanks for watching.